Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
It is now almost certain that reconciliation between former Vice President Atiku Abubakar and Nyesom Wike is a dim prospect, as the Rivers State governor recently chided some leaders of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in the state for having a meeting with the Waziri of Adamawa without his consent. In his reaction, Senator Lee Meba, one of Wike's estranged political henchmen, has accused the Rivers State governor of high-handedness, leaving no one in doubt that there's a rift in the PDP ahead of the 2023 governorship election in Rivers State. With a divided house, can the PDP reenact its winning ways in Rivers State come 2023? Correspondent Chika Budoje tells us more.
The bad blood between former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, winner of the PDP presidential primaries, and Nyesom Wike, his closest rival in the contest, remains in spite of efforts to reconcile both leaders of Nigeria's main opposition party. Governor Wike gave the hint recently when he chided 3 of his political allies in Rivers State for attending a meeting with the PDP presidential nominee. The Rivers State governor had reportedly descended heavily on Senator Lee Meba, Right Honorable Austin Okpara, a former Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, and Sir Celestine Omehia, one-time governor of Rivers State, for attending a meeting with the Waziri of Adamawa, whom he believes robbed him of his deserved victory at the PDP presidential primaries conducted in May this year. Senator Lee Meba immediately retorted that Wike was a high-handed politician carrying on like a demigod in the political affairs of Rivers State. In a recent video that has gone viral on YouTube, Senator Meba alleged that Wike prevented him and 13 other aspirants from participating in the PDP governorship primaries conducted on the 25th of May 2022.
Wike refused any of us in Rivers State to buy form to campaign for the governorship of Rivers State. He bought 14 of us form and warned any of us not to campaign. Anybody who tried to campaign, Wike is ready to take on you. But I follow him to 20-something state campaigning to delegates. We don't know who is a delegate in Rivers. The list of delegates were not published. At the end of the day, he called me on the 24th and told me that I cannot be governor, that I campaigned for Atiku in 2019 without his permission.
Simnalaye Fubara, a dark horse in the PDP governorship primaries, got a landslide victory with the support of Governor Wike. While speaking on the outcome of the exercise, Wike had boasted that whoever emerged as the governorship candidate of the PDP would be elected as the next governor of Rivers State.
We have gotten a candidate. There's nothing anybody can do about it. That's our candidate. With the performance of our administration, with what we have achieved in this state, there's no candidate that PDP will present that will not win an election.
Since 1999 till date, the PDP has produced successive governors in Rivers State, and so for Governor Wike, 2023 will not be an exception. However, Innocent Ajelo, a member of the Social Democratic Party in Rivers State, disagrees with the governor, insisting that in 2023, the voting public is more interested in candidates than political parties.
What's going to play out in the next election is not about party, it's about personality. People will look at your track record. People will know, will go deep into what you have done before when you were given opportunity to serve the people.
In 2015, Nyesom Wike secured a landslide victory as governorship candidate of the PDP and clinched yet another victory in 2019. In the last governorship election, Wike's victory was aided by the absence of the APC on the ballot. In 2023, 2 Port Harcourt-based political scientists, Ken Wike and Anthony Egobweze, maintained that the PDP should expect a keenly contested governorship election with the emergence of notable political gladiators as standard bearers of opposition parties in Rivers State.
In this current dispensation, we have PDP producing Sim Fubara, we have APC producing Tonye Code, we have SDP producing Magnus Abe, we have AA producing Dawari George, and we have AKUGHA producing the Lulu Breeze, Dumo Lulu Breeze, as their various standard bearers. They are now before the court of the Rivers people. The court of Rivers people in this circumstance is the electorate. I'm sure that it's not going to be Uhuru for any of the political parties.
And so at the end of the day, it leaves Rivers people with more choices to make. It will not be business as usual in the coming elections.
For close observers of unfolding events in the PDP, Wike's recent outburst is an indication that ongoing peace talks initiated to reconcile him and the former vice president may have broken down irretrievably. Mr. Innocent Ajelo believes that the current crisis rocking the PDP is also a good omen for the political future of Rivers State.
I pray that this problem continues so that it will favor other political parties to take over their affairs, because from where I was coming from, we have seen the benefit of disunity among party strong members. So if that's what PDP is going to do this time around, I pray, in fact, from today, I'll keep praying that their trouble will continue so that my party will triumph over in Rivers State.
Governor Wike, who has thrown several brickbats at the PDP in the aftermath of the party's presidential primaries, is now hobnobbing with the APC. After hosting 3 APC governors at his Rume Precom country home last month, Governor Wike last week invited Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu and Speaker of the House of Representatives Femi Gbajabiamila, both APC stalwarts, to commission projects in Rivers State. Although Wike had averred on many occasions that he would not leave the PDP for all the tea in China, his recent romance with the APC is fueling speculations about plans to dump the PDP. With no love lost between Wike and Atiku, is the Rivers State governor about to dump the PDP in pursuit of his political aspiration in another political party? Only time will tell.
Inside the Niger Delta,